No more worrying about the outdoor water pipes freezing this winter, or simply when encountering issues like leaks or clogs. By hitting the subscribe button, you're unlocking a treasure trove of experience from seasoned plumbers. Give it a shot now. Remember this trick to connect pipes safely without using clamps. Is this happening to your handheld shower head? Then all you need is a plastic bag, some vinegar, and a bit of baking soda. Leveraging the power of leverage and torque is the principle of removing plastic pipe fittings. The splashing might be due to a poorly functioning control valve. Using small arrows like this can help it flow more evenly. A makeshift plastic bottle plunger can easily unclog a sink. Or use your own palm to perform the similar action. Either way, it's cheap and easy to do. In case you can't find a heat gun, a hairdryer is a good choice to loosen the PVC joints. All you need to do is grab the pliers, give the pipe a little squeeze, and it'll secure the joint nicely. A small amount of phosphoric acid in this drink will break down and dissolve rust. The old adjustable spanner is not useless in this case. The results will be proven soon. First, install the regulator right next to the pipe, where the sensors operate when the temperature is below 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, secure the wire with electrical tape about 6 inches per turn. And if the climate is too cold, remember to add insulation to prevent the water pipes from freezing. Don't let dirt eat up your work time. Just a piece of tape can solve it all. After the water evaporates, the deposited minerals will form spots on the faucet. Unlike chemicals, using aluminum foil to remove stains is both effective and harmless. Has anyone ever struggled with this problem? Let us know how you handled it in the comments. No more cockroaches in the drain if you follow this master's advice. This shows that as water passes through, the balloon's hole closes, preventing the cockroaches from flowing down the drain. You can also replace the copper wire with another material when locking two PVC pipes onto the surface for this trick. Every craftsman keeps at least one tip for themselves to make their work easier. And here comes this guy's secret. A crescent-shaped tool is designed to thread the faucet through the hole without the hassle of fitting a screw clamp afterward. A sticky holder is an aesthetic choice instead of drilling holes on the wall. Similar to a tape, a balloon has the ability to stretch and seal effectively. The metal rod not only helps keep the shape of the plastic pipe, but also contributes to transferring and retaining heat when shaping. Creating a circle on the plastic pipe can be challenging, but using a zip tie will make it much easier. First, heat the material, then use a shower hose to shape it, and finally, wait to get the desired result. Any tight space won't be a problem for a skilled worker who knows their tools. Besides using a wrench, a piece of PEX pipe can also remove the shark bite coupling. A tip for DIYers to handle plumbing issues at home instead of paying for a plumber. How to patch water pipes using PE plastic. Hey DIYers, you should know of this trick for high pressure joints. Ice may not be the most effective cleaner, but it can limit the damage to the surfaces like other chemicals. Install drain pipes close to the ground to avoid water backlash. Instead of digging underground or using any kind of demolition to clean or replace the pipes, this plumber cures them from the inside. No need to buy a new hose clamp. Connecting two or more pipes saves space and ensures the aesthetics of the entire pipe system. A great suggestion while you have difficulty wrapping those small, tight areas. An elbow fitting allows water to change direction at a right angle without complicated installation. Accumulated grease over time can cause drain blockages. Aluminum, with its high thermal conductivity, when exposed to high temperatures, can make the grease flow down quickly and no longer accumulates. SealStick IRP 700 is a sealant used to seal holes in water pipes in wet conditions. Who would have thought plumbing could be so entertaining?
That's nuts! Look at it all.
Oh wow.
It's still going.
Holy.
Before installing, you need to use a hydraulic hand bending tool to adjust the pipe to the right angle. Smart plumbers can fix leaking water pipes on the spot, even with water flowing, by simply using a small wooden plug. Let's start drilling the plastic pipe with a few pieces of tape without worrying about slipping. This method will be very useful when your plastic welding machine suddenly breaks down. The joint plastic pipes can also be disassembled and reused many times. Completely prevents water leaks with the help of electric welding glue. Establishing the push-fit connection by hand is sometimes difficult with large dimensions. The pipe and sleeve are pulled together using a cordless screwdriver or drill. Copper pipe is popular among plumbers for its durability, non-corrosion, and non-toxicity. And to solder copper, you need to melt it with materials that have much higher melting points. Knowing how to make use of familiar objects can create effective tricks. The color of the PEX pipes helps the installer easily identify which one carries hot and cold water. Cutting pipes in narrow spaces can be challenging for anyone, except those watching this video. The joint is really attached in just a few seconds. Another way for plumbers to solve water leakage. A pair of grabbers with a long arm is a great choice to remove all obstructions that cause the floor drain to clog. When it comes to plumbing repair, using common skills can only take you 1/10 of the way, but equipping yourself with additional tricks will take you anywhere. To start repairing the water system, turn off the water supply in the area. Then clean the old valves with sandpaper or brush. And welding the joints is the final step. You can also temporarily stop the water flow by an old shuttlecock. Toilet flanges are also known as closet flanges. This is because flush toilets were commonly called water closets in the past. Professionals recommend a 1/2 inch thick rope of putty is the appropriate size to secure plumbing components. Newbies don't need to rush because this is the tutorial class for you. Don't worry when facing a similar situation. Just replace the cistern fill valve and everything will be back to perfect. What do you do when a sudden design change request after the installation has been completed? Skilled gentlemen here, don't rush to judge this method. This trick is only for beginners. Using rubber as a joint helps replace the drainage pipe faster. Who says delving into math won't do us any good in life? That's way better than looking like I'm riding a porcelain horse out the front door. Siphoning is a great way to use gravity to move a large amount of water. Those are some tricks from experienced plumbers that we want to share with you. So, do you plan to apply any tips above? And if you have better ways, don't hesitate to share with others in the comments section.